Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So this is your weekly career, business and money reading from 14th to 20th December. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, Saggy, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself this week, and what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start, Saggy. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. 3 shuffles. Sagittarius general energy for the week. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Sagittarius general energy for the week. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Sagittarius general energy for the week. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Okay, so 7 of Swords, the Moon, 9 of Swords, the World, the Chariot, Page of Wands, the Temperance. So Saggy, looking at the overall picture, I feel that you will be more diplomatic in your approach. You will be very loving and caring towards relationship, towards the bond that you share with the people in your family and outside. You will be networking, you will be traveling, you will be interacting. There's a lot of interaction, lot of meetings, and you will be making lot of contacts here. For that will be beneficial in your future. Also, you will keep a check on your tongue. Usually, fire signs, very upfront, but right now you will value relationship more, relationship in your personal as well as professional life. And you will hold your anger and temper and your tongue too. That's what I get here. Going with the flow, you will be having balance and patience. You will try out some new things in this week in your career, in your business situation, or the way you have been working in a job situation. You will try something new here. That in creative wise, there could be a starting of a new creative project, a new creative venture. Page of Wands, an opportunity could be presented to you with the Page of Wands here. The Chariot card. So you are moving forward, crushing all obstacles, going, taking your life in your hands. Balance. You are maintaining balance. And moving forward, this is a card of success, so you will be successful here. This is also a card of travel. The World is also a card of travel, so there could be national, international travel which will be rewarding for you here. With this card, some of you also, with the World card, some of you could also go for pilgrimage or just holidaying also with family or friend. With the World card coming, something you are ending, Saggy, a phase is ending in your life, a certain phase, a certain cycle. So it could be anything, right from a small, ending a completion of a small project, to completion of a job, to completion of a relationship, to completion of a, your like retirement, anything, or completing your education and looking forward for a new job. It talks about a whole lot of things here. So definitely there is a closing of a certain cycle. Some of you from bachelorhood, you could get married, could engage, go for long-term commitment. That's what I get here, Saggy. There are certain fears in your mind regarding a cheat or a deceit that either it has happened in your recent past, so that you are fearful about a certain situation here. Now this is not for all of you. This is for some of you here. 7 of Swords. Be careful if it has not happened with you. Be careful of these energies. 7 of Swords with the Moon. So yeah, there could be a person in your professional life, in your personal life, who are hiding things. There are truth, there are lies, deceits, cheating, stealing, anything. And I think you are aware. That's why I said some of you have dealt in the past, or some of you might be dealing, but that will cause a lot of stress. Be careful with your money. There could be theft also. You never know. So be careful with the money, or your information being stolen, or the work that you are doing, that information being stolen, anything here. So in your relationship, it could be your person cheating. I'm just giving you, it could resonate differently for all of you here. So yes, this energies you need to be aware of. With the Temperance card coming, overall success, overall happiness, going with the flow. This is your card, Saji, and it's your birthday season. So happy birthday, having a great time. I hope you are having a great time. You will also party with friends. You will have, you will go outdoors with them, eating out, and very pleasure fulfilled moments with friends and family. That's what I get here, Saji. Yeah, so definitely I see, this week being a very positive week, except for certain fears or certain deceptive situation for some of you. The whole week seems to be very positive. Lot of interaction, lot of socializing also here, and forward movement. I do not see any direct pentacle card here. So whatever money has been coming in will coming, but there is a forward movement across. There is an upswing in your work situation, in your business situation. The Chariot card talks about success in all spheres, so it is like very successful here. That's what I see. So great week, Saji. I will just pull out an angel guidance card now. Angel guidance messages for Sagittarius. So we are summing this up. So angel messages for Sagittarius. Okay, so illusions. So embrace the truth. So stay away from illusions. Stay moon. So stay away from illusions. Embrace the truth. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.